Hey dudes, in today's video I'm gonna show you the process of making mead, the traditional Viking drink, the blood of the ancient gods. Let wine yeast activate in warm water for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, it's time to offer a good sacrifice, and may the gods will grace me with luck in my first attempt. It can be any kind of fruits, spices, grains or hops. Besides the flavor, it will provide more sugar for the fermentation. Take a good honey and mix it with water. I use it 3 times more water than honey in volume. In my researches, I found that mead is probably the oldest alcoholic beverage known to man, and likely discovered before the freaking wheel was invented. It's simply honey and water mixed with yeast, which also occur naturally. Basically, it's gonna work if you want to make it simple. Just be sure to clean everything you're gonna use. I made 2 different recipes, one with pineapple, white raisins, and mint, and another with strawberries and hibiscus. With the battlefield settled, I can finally release the yeast soldiers. By the way, if you like this kind of video, subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share. And if there is something you would like to say, don't be ashamed and write. Shake it like a Viking. The more oxygen in the solution, the better the reaction. I'm gonna change the gallons in 10 days to take out the waste at the bottom, and let the battle for more 20 days. For the airlock, you can buy one or just poke some holes in the balloon. Which one do you think is gonna taste better? I hope you guys enjoyed, and I wish you all peace. See ya!